Welcome guys, I'm Dana, the creator of Power Plans Nutrition, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. It's also the Power Plans kitchen. We're gonna be making my newest recipe. It's called SpaghettiO's, and no, you didn't hear that wrong. It is called SpaghettiO's, and it's based on one of the favorite things that my brothers and I ate growing up, which was SpaghettiO's. And I'm pretty sure that just some tomato sauce in pasta is not really good for you. So I created this high nutrient version with the same kind of flavors that you got in the SpaghettiO's. So it's very healthy, it's actually vegetarian, and if you want to add a protein option, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. It wouldn't be called SpaghettiO's for nothing. There is a lot of veggies in this recipe, which is amazing because it's not always the easiest to eat veggies. So in a warm, hearty soup with a nostalgic flavor like SpaghettiO's, Campbell's has nothing on Power Plans.
Good, but Campbell's doesn't make SpaghettiO's.
Yeah, they do. I just looked it up.
Did you?
Yes. Ingredients for SpaghettiO's is a 1/4 cup of a diced white onion, about a cup of, that was the butter. It'd be a 1/4 cup of a chopped white onion, a cup of carrots. You can use baby or regular because it's going to be a cup. You want to dice them very small. A tablespoon of butter. I like to use grass-fed. A tablespoon of minced garlic. A tablespoon of oil, avocado or olive. A 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes. If you only have diced, that's fine too. If you have a bean can, kidney is good, or a 3-bean blend. I don't have one because of circumstances. A 1/4 cup of red lentils washed. A 1/3 cup of Israeli couscous. 3 or 4 golden or red beets raw or already steamed. Half a container of sliced mushrooms, salt, pepper, and 2 bay leaves, and a carton of stock. Everything about this is vegetarian. If you're adding the protein option, already cooked ham is my favorite choice. So SpaghettiO's starts like any good soup. You're making it on the stove. You're making it from scratch by melting a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of oil on medium-high heat in a large pan. Once that has all melted together, you're gonna add in the 1/4 cup onion and the 1 cup of chopped small carrots, cooking that on the stove until they soften and become fragrant, about 7 minutes. That's gonna add a lot of flavor and depth to your soup. So if you can, don't skip that part. Soften those veggies. I also added in the minced garlic to the carrots and onions, so it's smelling so good. You know that the veggies are soft, and it's time to literally just add everything else that I showed you into the pot. So let's do that. Got the red lentils, they've been washed. That's why they're all kind of weirdly sticky. Keep the heat up on medium-high. Let this come to a boil, so it might take a few minutes to get up that high temperature because you've just added in a bunch of new ingredients. So give it time to get to a boil, and once it does so, you can lower that temperature and cover it with a lid. That way all the yumminess can stay in the pot and the flavors have time to meld. You're gonna let it simmer. That means little bubbles, guys, not like a boil, boil, boil. Little bubbles for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the lid off, poke a fork in some of those veggies, especially the beets if you bought those raw. Check the tenderness. If everything seems like it's done, have a little taste, you like it, or add some salt and pepper. I actually never really add salt and pepper to it, but now it's also the time that you want to add that cubed ham. to increase the protein level of it. So add the ham, then let it simmer just for another like 5 or so minutes. And again, all those flavors are melding. Oh, those SpaghettiO's, but with all the extra nutrition of the mushrooms, the beets, carrots, on, and have some extra protein from the lentils and all that kind of stuff. Healthier, much better version of SpaghettiO's. SpaghettiO's. I made that up. Hair and makeup, Kellen? Yeah. Thank you, Campbell's, for the inspiration of a tomato pasta soup. Thank you to my brothers for creating this memory with me that I wanted to recreate in a healthy way. This recipe is just one of the many examples that I create in my personalized meal plans. That's what Power Plans Nutrition is all about. If you want to become a member, I can help you personally with any of your goals, from weight gain, weight loss, muscle building, fat loss, improve your athletic performance, overall just feel good, be happier, healthier, sleep better, play with your kids. All of your goals can be reached through nutrition, and it's something that I'm passionate about helping people do through healthy, nutritious, fun, flavorful meals. Find more information about Power Plans, becoming a member, at powerplansnutrition.com. And please subscribe to my channel. You'll be able to see ongoing videos, free recipes. Can't wait to see how you like this one. Take care, guys.